Hey, what's up my celestial cupcakes? It's Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool, awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hope you guys are having a great week so far. Mine is good. It's going very fast because it is very busy, but it's cool. Today I am super excited because I am doing a really awesome collab video with the very cool Amethyst Winters on here. If you are not subscribed to her, please go check her out. She is just a great person. I am so lucky that over the last few months I've gotten to know her. I think she is a fabulous person. I think she's smart, intelligent, kind, nice, everything. I love the sound of her voice. She has one of those voices that's just bubbly and uplifting, and I feel like she could give you bad news and you would take it much better because her voice is so positive and kind. I just really love her. She has a really cute laugh too. I'm just really excited that I got to do this collab with her. So she came up with this really awesome idea because both of us, we write on this outside of YouTube. So she came up with this really cool idea for us both to do a look based on fictional characters that we have created. So for my look, I'm going to do a look based on a character named Vivian O'Mara. She is a fairy, and I decided I'm going to do a look on her because I think that it'll be a lot of fun. So I'm just going to get into it and I will tell you about Vivian while I'm doing my makeup. So I just primed my eyes with the white e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm going to go into a single shadow from Aromaleigh Cosmetics, and it's called Moonbow, and it's a really pretty like icy blue with a pink shift. I'll show you a little bit of it if I can get some. And I just think this would represent, kind of can't see it too much on here, but I feel this represents Vivian really well. So I'm just going to take that on a brush. I am so nervous because it's a loose pigment, and I think they still have it on the website, but I would be devastated if I dropped it. And I'm just going to pat it on over the foundation. I'm actually going to go in with my finger instead because it kind of just made a super giant mess, which you probably saw with the brush. Which I went in with my finger on this button. I've used this eyeshadow before and I should have done that, but you know, why would I do something that makes sense? And I'm actually putting it all over my lid. So I don't know if you can see, but it kind of has like a color shift. And then for my brow bone area, I'm going into a color called When in Rome from Tracy's Powder Room, and I'm just going to apply that with a pencil brush. So Vivian is a fairy. She is a fairy of love, light, and positivity. She loves pastel and glitters. She is a little bit shy, but she does enjoy being around people. When she gets to know people, she is very friendly. She loves spreading joy and kindness to everybody. That's like her thing. She comes from the fairy realm, and she comes from a city called the Diamond City, which I've made up, but it could be real because like I've never been to the fairy realm. But she also loves coming to the mortal realm as well and spending time with humanity because she thinks humans are pretty cool, and she believes that they deep inside are good, and she looks for the good in people versus the bad in people, and she uses her positive light and fairy sparkle to spread kindness and love to everybody. I haven't really written too much about her. I have a couple of things, but in my head mainly I have a story. Like I know about her. But what I like about this color is well, you can't really see it on camera, which kind of drives me crazy, but it is a really pretty color shift. So it is like, it's very simple, but it's also a lot. Like I don't know if you can see. The reason I chose Vivian as the character that I wanted to do was because I think that she's just a fun character. I thought because she, in my head, wears a lot of pastels and is sparkly, I thought it would be really pretty because I lean towards pastels and sparkles. That's probably why she leans towards pastels and sparkles, because you do tend to sometimes create what you like when you write. But yeah, so I just thought she'd be fun to create and share with you guys. I'm actually really excited to see who Jennifer Amethyst Winters is going to create in her video, because she is a very interesting creative person, and I think that her look will be really cool, and I cannot wait to see it. Off camera, I just went in with this Colourpop gel liner in the color Boots, and I just went in and kind of did like a little, I don't know, like a little twirly thing. I can't do it on camera because I don't have like a stand-up mirror that like faces where the camera is, and I couldn't do this one-handed as it is. Like, it's not even perfect because artistic stuff like this isn't my forte, but I thought it would be fun. And I mean, it is good. It's fun. It's cute. So then, since Vivienne is obviously a fairy, what do fairies have the most of? They have fairy glitter. So I'm going to go into the Colourpop in a Trance palette, and I'm going to go into the glitter in the center here, which is called All Aura again. And I'm actually just going to, I'm going to pat that all around where I put the like little lines right here. To give it like an extra, like a bit of sparkle, because fairies to me definitely sparkle. And I like too that the pink liner isn't going to get lost behind the sparkles, because when I first was thinking of doing this, I was thinking of doing it with a white liner, but I felt it would get really lost behind the eyeshadow and behind the glitter. What's funny is my lighting, like, isn't as bright on this side, so like I feel like I don't have any glitter here, but I'll probably go in like different lighting and I'll have an insane amount of glitter on one side and not the other. But that's okay, because we are we're doing a look about fairies, and fairies are just very glittery and very beautiful. So yeah. That's like my favorite thing. Like, I think fairies are so cool. Like, I wish I was I think it could be so cool to like be able to travel to like an enchanted realm where, like, you know, you can talk to the animals and communicate with nature. That's another thing. Vivienne loves nature. She loves being out with nature. She loves communicating with trees and flowers. Flowers are her absolute favorite. She loves all types of flowers. She doesn't have a specific favorite. She just thinks they are all beautiful. She also loves to communicate with animals, because as a fairy, she has that unique special ability where she can communicate with animals. Her favorite animals are little ones like squirrels and chipmunks and things like that, because she thinks they are cute and they are sweet. And yeah. So off camera, I just went in my waterline with Fenty's Lady Lagoon gel liner, and now I'm going to go in to the In a Trance palette again, and I'm going to pick up the colors. I'm going to start with Own Your Power, and I'm going to go under my waterline, my lower lash line with it. It's really light purple color. It's a little bit powdery. And then I'm going to jump into this color here, Daydream Baby. The writing on this is like holographic, so in the light, like, it was reflecting and I couldn't see it. Maybe it's because I'm old. And it's just really light and really nice for this look. It's not too much. Then I'm going to jump into a color from Devinah Cosmetics. This is called Marshmallow Pillows, and I'm going to put that in my, sorry, I'm not facing the camera, inner corner. It's another really cool, like, color shift color. And I just thought it would be kind of like cool to have that like darker pink on the inner corners of my eye, which in this lighting you kind of can't see. See, you can see it. It's this one right here. Yeah, as you can see, this is where I use my palette for like when I'm doing my makeup. So this is my finished Vivienne O'Mara inspired fairy eye look, and this is it. On my lips, I just went in with Berries and Cream from Dominique Cosmetics. And then, I don't know if you can see, but I put like little glitter, which is not showing up at all on the camera, from Lottie London. It's this glitter lip gloss, which is really weird, and it's like, I don't know really what to use for other than things like this, because it's literally like glitter, like giant chunks of glitter in the lip gloss, which you would think that it would show up on camera, but it's not. So anyway, I'm really happy with how this look came out. I think it's really, really pretty. I think it's fun, especially because it's this Amethyst wanted to do it this time of year too, because Halloween is coming up, so it's always fun to be creative and around Halloween. So it's awesome. So thank you so much, Jennifer. I keep going back between Jennifer and Amethyst because her real name is Jennifer, but she goes by Amethyst Winters, which most of you know, I'm sure. So thank you so much for inviting me to be a part of this collab. I really, really enjoyed it. I'm so excited to see what look you create and what character you base it around. This was such a cool idea. I always have fun doing collabs, and it's always cool when people ask. So yeah, thank you so much. I had such a great time doing this video. So please, again, go check out Amethyst Winters. I will link all her information below. She is just so much fun, such a great person. She does lots and lots of videos. Like, I just really enjoy her. So please go check her out. And again, thank you. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really liked this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do another one of those things, that's totally fine. I totally get it. It's okay. Thank you for stopping by and sharing this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. As always, I will still send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies. So, oh well. Anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!